Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both devices so transfer is fast and reliable. Open Easyshare on each device and sign in with the same or paired accounts. This authenticates the session. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled and both devices are within about 3 meters to maintain a stable link. Also charge devices above 20% and close heavy background apps to prevent interruptions, because low power or competing processes can slow or drop the transfer. Now you select what to send and configure the session. On the source device, pick Files, Folders, or Apps and tap Send. Use Compress if you have many small files to reduce overhead. On the target device, open Receive mode and accept the incoming connection when prompted. This verifies identity and prevents unwanted transfers. While you wait, check the estimated transfer size and available storage so you know why it will take the stated time, and adjust selections if space or time is limited. Complete the transfer by monitoring progress and verifying files. You watch the progress bar and confirm that transferred items open correctly on the target device once the transfer finishes. If the session is interrupted, first check Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and then resume or restart the transfer. Interruptions often stem from weak signal or low battery. Finally, if problems persist, open Easyshare logs in Settings to identify errors and use Retry or Resend options. This helps you fix the issue quickly and avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.